Welcome to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at you, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, they not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense. In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate and equally important groups: the police who investigate crime, and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders for their heinous offenses. Welcome to True Island Stories. Yo, why this is another double slap away right out of Molynes Road gas station. Yo, when me look, me see a hombre out like me piece of Braalin right side and car door and then door open. Like it's either him come out of a vehicle if he catch gas, or him a walk go in a gas station. You understand? And the Pilgrim them run on him. And then him have a passenger side of him and them kickle up him. And the two man them flick out bad flick in a vehicle. You see me, the two man them flick out back flick said place Miggle there, Braalin. All in a Miggle there. A darkness, the man them say 12 midday slap away, you know, brother. The man them now play, and me no know what kind of valve, and me no know them got themselves into a kind of trouble. Them get themselves into, and me no know who them got affair with. You see me, what me know, so some Pilgrim come to affair with them. You see me, them and them come kick up the Pilgrim and the Squire. You see me, the Pilgrim lie down on the face and the Squire in a car. And me I tell you, it's a grimy scene. And then me have the picture with them, they are hospital now, and brother, you see big fat one when he lie down on the ground, then turn him over on him back, and you can see two neat hole. It come like it's a marksman knock him in a brother. You can know see a lone hitman work that, you know, because you see grouping, it two bullet them there side by side, not even. Alright, you know in the yard play, liquor spans, chew stone dalgi, 20 cent a game. Bucket, alright, right now the man them down they gonna pay $20 or $10 game liquor fans, show stone, and marble felasket, and you go so kukum, and guns are son clack your tongue, and you go so spans. You see the inch part, and your big your finger there, so your middle finger, your spanty. You see the distance between the two hole them, it not so wide. Ma tell a lelo, it not so wide. Yo, the man them a got range down there. I tell you, R is a trained member. We're gone rogue. Or a man we good at still in a security force. Or a man with the security force. A man from the security force train. But when we look on the humble chest in the humble car, man know, when we look on the humble chest, you know, it look like say he man have also other all bullet hole in his chest, you know. Or a more shot in getting in his chest and the blood dry up. You understand me? But me say two fresh, neat hole. As you may say, is either somebody from the security force training, I'm a rogue security personnel, or he might practice overtime down there. But me know. Alright, what's your style here? You ever same time people get in a crowd and I look on dead people on the ground? You know that bend over skun boogie there? That lean, that giraffe lean there? You know that whole giraffe lean when you scan the dead, you scan the ground, you scan the perimeter. That whole lean when you put all your hand on your belly and stay and a lean, and you know one go front. And you lean over somebody's shoulder, them side shoulder right there, so, and I stretch your neck and I look, and I stretch your back. You know what I lean there? Yo, why we talk so sick with the body talk? Go easy, go easy, one. Go easy, but what tell you, don't lean there. I saw people man lean in a man, pan the whole spread out, you know. You two man them spread out for whole lean a man. No, that lean there. And then you walk around and shoot through, but you know one guy front like your afraid say up all your foot and all your way. All we do it, you know. No man no one guy front. No man no one brave. You know more? Juskilowski. Inskagiki. No man. If a man wants to go back and say, you want if people neck long. Make a man dead. Man turn last kid man. Me say man turn last kid man around there. Like you know. And then in a video call, me and try see me can do me can know shoot up a video on my page channel. So who the on my page channel can go see it, who know the on it. Well, sucks for you. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's gonna suck for you. If you do on my page channel, you're gonna see. Yeah, but as man said, you remember, John won't start the man them a gap down and carry the man them go doctor dog. And him a stretch like giraffe around the back and him nah make no move, you know. Who are you to give orders, Who are you to give that hear a man around there? Fire! No man no know them. Fire! Yo, fire! Yo, we want if nobody know them for? Yeah, what I said, information I said, I carry back news. Leave people business alone. Leave people them kickerings. You understand? Leave people business alone. You understand? You don't know the Pilgrim and you don't know the Squire. Leave the people them business alone. You don't know them though. Now, let me tell you something. Yeah, alright. Yes, if your man come kick them, me not think Outa gas station, the man them come and see them, you know. Me feel like a good little trail them and them trail them come there and say, yeah, alright, them stop. Right time. A trailing's go on, man. So, me just a summarize, maybe a car, you know, but if me wrong, tell me and want a man link me and give me the real kecklings. A link me know what you assume or what you think. If you don't have the story, that's cool, but if you have the kecklings back out, you can make me know so I can bread back it down for the, you know, the audience and the fans. You see me? Then me hear a girl ball out, John, oh my fucking foot back get cut up here, man. Yo, what is a goon to a goblin? Your foot back cut up, one, two, man, them a dead penny gun. Your foot back up, then you get look at two scrape, them two, man, they would have love if them could have turn up and them foot chop off. Yeah, ball boy, your foot back. It's easy. Two man dead penny gun, yeah, ball boy, your fucking foot back cut up, man, chop. Oh, your foot back cut up. Nobody ain't tell you for wear slippers. Guy people them John public. You know John Puffer in a slippers and happening to go on. That's why you have to wear shoes.
Jesus Christ.
Fire, you know them?
Jesus Christ.
General, you know them? Bring them all them, lost them all them, kill and yap them, you know them, eh? Oh.
I'm a fucking foot cut up. Jesus Christ.
Well, me don't know the circumstances maybe I've gone to, you understand? And maybe I saw foot around there and I hide it. Like him, brother. I jump about liberty and I don't know. Maybe you foot them pretty, you just like expose your foot back. I don't know. Maybe you just get a pedicure and a manicure and a dedicure and a ledicure. I don't know. I do not know. But right out at Toyota gas station, that's a better. Them man them chop out them wacky cake neatly. I mean, I tell you, may them soul rest in peace, you know. God judge it to hell when the violence will stop. Braalin Miggle day, you know, man. All one time a Miggle day dark. You hear the saying? All when a Miggle day dark. Understand what it mean, you know. All when a Miggle day, them gone home in a darkness. Them eyes shut, no more light. Door wide open. Man drop on him face. Bloof. Can't get up back. No life. Energy leaving body. As you say, may them soul rest in peace, and the Father forgive them for what they have done. Maybe them go lick with some people, them not innocent, but I see if nobody, brother. People wicked. Maybe them do some wicked sins. That way reach them. Maybe a long time them for dead. Me not know. Maybe them not for dead. Me not know. As we say, we are need a judge doing an executional upon this channel. You understand? But as we say, remember you all dead over stretch. But we all shall be looked upon like that one day. Unless, you mean, them fine we. When we did peaceful or we did in a John Perfect. Because you have them Pilgrim and them Squire down here, brother. When them dash your body, what them not do, them not play fine, because all his mind them play. You understand? Because when them a feel round a wicket, them no job catch, not even a practice match. No job. No butter in the hand, them watch them and them don't eat no grave in the dip hand. Nothing a slip through. Cut off head and bury body bone, dash split up body parts all over. Dopey truck, night time again. Say for the money have nothing. Just send the badness my way. And I boy Muffet same other thing for send on. So I could see him still come on. I only asleep there to wake him kind of miserable thing. You know what I say? Yeah man, so no come on. Reason again, remember the darker side of paradise so that's so. Catch up the badness man and bless up on yourself. You don't know. Merch upon the perch, you have some new things to upload. You say me say if you want the book you don't know. Link up and inside. But if you choose to become the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in Island Stories. What? Well, you choose. Why yes, them say come like the one that the whole girl in the man. Now hear you with me. Question: what will you choose? Lego the gonna come and TIS news. What will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the feud. What will you choose? Lego the gonna come and CVM news. What will you choose? Choose blues. Don't say that with the touch. Nighttime them run out fully dark. Lands on one another, everything a sparks. But who are the piranha? Which one are the shark? Moon and black rims, but the cat same soft. And I estimate the pass and get them at dark. Screamers and white dream and them a war. Whole place fuck up from them gone with the boss. Scared them bridge dream and rock man dark. Whole place someone from them like a playboy. When the man drop and who get the joy? Panties, you turn star, but what will you choose? Lego they gonna come Panties news. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the feud. What will you choose? Lego they gonna come and CVM news. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the feud. What will you choose? What will you choose? Oh, what will you choose? Oh, what will you choose? Charlie Wap lock down Rockfort. Mikey Pelp head in a boat. No drop but them badness a good. Jet clean make enough man afraid for God. Chubby Jed and Pogo out of sort. Not to mark than you enough man them out. Junglist them we kill it then go burn down your house. Ceiling at entertaining a thump none no more. Well, you do the crime then, you do the time. Can't escape, you can't blur the line. I choose the fifth and tear off the sign. Man, you can't mix up looks, man, with up a film. Marcel Portmore lone assassin. One motion, put the code bada bing. Rockport rise the four of the god that I sing. What will you choose? Lego they gonna come and TIS news. What will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the feud. What will you choose? Lego they gonna come and CVM news. What will you choose? Choose blues.